In 1978, the Hoover Company first put out their concept models of vacuum cleaners. Each one of them is completely different. Their first one was the core binder version of the U3101, which that's blue and white color. They do have other colors too, like the first green and white vacuum was the U3105. That one came out in San Antonio, Texas of 1981. Some vacuums are either manual driven or power driven. Yep. Some are equipped with a power surge feature, which does have the burst of power for getting rid of your, which does have power to get rid of heavy soot. The first core wrap version of the Concept 1 was the U3103, which my mom used to have a long time ago. That one does have the core wrap to store the cord. Yep. The Concept Concept 1 models were a big success since 1978, until in 1983 they allowed the Concept 2 models. Some might be single speed or power driven. Yep. The Concept 2 does have the built-in handheld vacuum called the Helpmate. Yep. Until they wanted some models with the onboard attachments for the PowerMax models. The first PowerMax canister vacuum was made in 1993. I was 12 years old at the time. Yep. There were a lot of classic vacuums ever since the 70s and also the 80s as well. Yep. The first Concept 2 in burgundy was made in 1987. Yep. They did sell a lot of those. Yep. The Canadian-made Concept 2 was actually built in 1985. Yep. There might have been vacuum videos containing those vacuums, and thank you for learning, and also thank you for watching the history of concept model vacuum cleaners.